Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the RSI indicator in TradingView Chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView Chart, then go to Indicators. Click on it, and here type Relative Strength Index. This one. Okay, so click on it just one time, and as you can see here, this is your RSI. Okay, now click on this arrow right here and you will see here RSI. Go to these three dots and click on settings. And now you can change from here the levels if you want. So we have here the RSI length. So it's the 14. You can change it, for example, to 30 or to 50. Okay, as you can see. Or you can go to style and you can change the levels from here. So we have here the RSI upper band. This one is on 70. For example, let's change it to 50, or let's change it, for example, to 90. Just for example, as you can see, it's changed. We have here the middle and we have here the lower. This one. You can also change the colors from here if you want. So let's choose change this one, for example. As you can see, the level has been changed. Let's change also this one. The same thing. I think that you get the idea. This one is for the level. This one, the length. Okay. So let's change it, for example, again to 14. As you can see, in that set, after you finish, just click on OK. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.